Okay, December 26, 2010. It's been running on the gas start engine and we're getting ready to switch it over to diesel. Oh my, look at that. Just a bare wisp of exhaust up there. Probably can't see it on the film, there's just a tiny bit blowing. Nice sound to it. Are you going to bring it out? It just started raining again. He's going to probably keep it under the cover.